I've never seen him act like that. You know, Bill Way has been roughly for like 30 years. By the time I get there, he'll stop and get